What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Field 20. I'm back. Today I got this KAIWEETS electric meter. It's the HT208D. Pretty nice meter. It's really nice in dark spots. You can't see it as well as I can because of the sunlight, etc. But what I'm trying to say here is I'm here working on a machine. And this machine, it's had a loose connection. Alright, so this wire, and by the way, our power's turned off at the breaker panel. I've got some somewhat decent rubber gloves. This wire was attached here. It looks like this fuse here is a different fuse. Not even the same type of fuse it was supposed to have. It's the right fuse. I'm wrong. It's just mismatch. So I'm going to change this fuse. I'm going to fix this wire that burned off, and this is where it short-circuited. So this wire actually touched inside right there. So I'm going to insulate this off, and then I'm going to reconnect this and make sure that that's tight, and make sure that all these are tight too when I'm done. And then we're going to fire this baby back up and watch it purr. But I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm just going to explain to you that the simpleness of this meter is awesome. And my favorite thing about this meter is so awesome. It's so much better for crawl spaces, etc. So I just love this meter. You can see the display right here. I can see it really well, but my phone don't see it well, and it's fine, not a big deal. So we've got this meter, and it allowed me to detect that we didn't have any power going into the machine, and then I followed where our power goes into the machine. So this breaker panel downstairs was tripped. So this is the one on the roof, or disconnect, and the one downstairs was tripped. So I followed in here, and this is our wire it burned off. It appears that we've had some hot spot there. Again, the power switch is off, but you treat everything like there's always power. So I'll pull that out, put a fresh one in it, and we'll be good to go. And I'm going to check the amperage and make sure we're drawing the correct amount of amps on this wire. So I just figured I'd let you guys know. And this meter here, it's a nice meter. I like it. It was sent to me. They didn't pay me, and I've sit and used it a bunch of times. I didn't want to go out at it like, blindfolded. It's got a real nice rubber grip. It's got decent length wires. So I'm happy with the results of this meter. It allowed me to fix my problem. It does 1000 amps, 60 to 600 amps. It does frequency, your hertz, and it does continuity, capacitors, diodes. It does temperature. It tells me the temperature of the meter itself, which is cool. But you can also put in a K-type thermocouple in the inputs, and then non-contact voltage. And right now it's reading no volts. So it says 16 degrees Celsius. I'd like to switch it off of Celsius, but I'm not too worried. It's fine with me. So I'm going to go ahead and repair this machine so I can get out of here and they can get happy. This is Field 20. So this is Field 20, and I'm just doing a simple, straightforward review. It comes with a thermocouple, and it also comes with a case. I'm going to be honest with you. I like a smaller case. This is a smaller case for a field piece, and this would fit in that case just fine instead of having the real bulky, real hard shell case that's real big. I get it, it protects the meter better, but I've had meters like this bag. They'll last for 10 years. As long as you keep them in the bag, they'll last for 10 years. I'll see you later. Peace out.